In the last lesson, we learned that if two triangles have three pairs of congruent corresponding angles and three pairs of congruent corresponding sides, then the triangles are congruent. But this is a lot more information than we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So let's look at postulate 4.1, the side-side-side postulate. It says that if three sides of one triangle are congruent to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So, if segment AB is congruent to segment DE, segment BC is congruent to segment EF, and segment AC is congruent to segment DF, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so in problem number 1, we're going to actually use the side-side-side postulate. This drawing shows us two triangles. It gives us that segment LM is congruent to segment NP, and that segment LP is congruent to segment NM. And we're supposed to try to prove that triangle LMN is congruent to triangle NPL. Since we're given that segment LM is congruent to segment NP, and by the reflexive property of congruency, that segment LN is congruent to itself, segment LN, and we're also given that segment LP is congruent to segment NM, we have three sides of one triangle that are congruent to three sides of another triangle. So therefore, triangle LMN is congruent to triangle NPL.